Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about Sina Martima. In this we will discuss about Sina child, but it is equally important for the adults also. It is useful in the child when child is infested with the worms. So this patient you will see very frequently in your practice. So it is come explain the picture form, the look of the patient. So whenever you will see patient like this in your clinic, you will identify the remedy only by seeing, but case taking is equally important. So I will suggest to take a full case, full history of the patient, and then and only then you will give Sina to the patient. It is equally important for the exam point of view for MCQs, and it is a full drug picture in this complete page. So let's start with the Sina martima. Sina, it is also called as worm remedy because it is used in the child when child is infested with the worms. जब पेट में बच्चों के जंत होते हैं, कीड़े होते हैं, जब मदर ऐसा कंप्लेन कर रही है कि बच्चा बार बार एनस में खुजली कर रहा है या पेट दर्द की कंप्लेन कर रहा है, तब ये रेमेडी बहुत ही फ्रिक्वेंटली यूज़ की जाती है और ये पेशेंट आपको अपनी क्लिनिक में बहुत फ्रिक्वेंटली देखने मिलेंगे. ये चाइल्ड को हमेशा मीठा खाने की आदत रहती है. दिस चाइल्ड क्रेव्स फॉर स्वीट्स लाइक कैंडी, चॉकलेट, आइसक्रीम्स, पेस्ट्रीज, एंड दे हैव craving for various things. They have canine hunger. In Kent, there is one rubric in stomach chapter, craving for various things, and Sina is one of the remedy. Okay, they have canine hunger. They are hungry. This child are hungry even after full meal. पूरा खाना खाने के बाद दोपहर का या रात का भी चाइल्ड बाद में बोलेगा, बच्चा बाद में बोलेगा कि मुझे भूख लगी है. दिस इज द canine hunger. Okay, now next is dark rings under the eyes. This is sickly appearance of the child when it is infested with a worm, and mainly when Sina is indicated, there is dark ring under the eyes. There is white bluish around the mouth, white bluish around the mouth, rings around the mouth. Okay, next, this child suffer from worms very frequently. You will see this, and this child cries with and screams and starts the sleep. Even in the sleep, this patient will cry. There is pitiful weeping when awake. This child cries very pitifully when child is awake from the sleep. Now you will see mind of the Sina baby. Mind, there is child is irritable, cross, peevish, does not want to be touched, desire many things but refuse it outright, will reject everything. Like बच्चा बहुत सारे खिलौने मांगेगा, पर जब उसे दे दिया जाए वो खिलौना तब वो फेंक देगा. दिस इज does desire many things but rejects everything. Okay, child does not want to be touched. This is the main theme of the Sina baby. Is very ceaseless and very irritable. Even if patient is touched, the patient get irritable. Now sleep. Sina baby will sleep in hand and knee position. She or he will sleep on the abdomen. In Kent, it is very beautifully explained that whenever the mother flips the baby on the back, the child will again go and sleep on the knee and elbow position on the abdomen. This is the Sina baby. Okay. Now there is cough in the Sina baby. Very drastic cough, very much tarring and very much irritable cough. That patient is afraid to speak because it brings on paroxysm of the cough. Now very unique rubric in Kent repertory also, and very frequently asked MCQ also. There is constant digging and boring at the nose. Sina baby will do this constantly digging and boring on the at the nose because there is irritation in the nose. And in small children, there is constantly rubbing the nose on the nurse's shoulder or mother's shoulder. This is also very frequently seen and frequently asked question also in vivas. In Sina baby, you will see one cheek is red and other is pale. This is the look of the Sina baby. In this complete single page, I have explained you the whole drug picture of the Sina. So, if you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comment box if you want any specific remedy like this, like picture form explanation. And this will you remember You will remember this picture throughout your exams and even in your practice. Whenever you will see this kind of child, you will completely know that this is Sina baby. But case taking is equally important. So do like, share, and subscribe. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.